Hello, welcome to yet another My Singing Monsters composed rap video. So, someone, a very nice fan on Amino, is helping me. Well, no, I shouldn't say helping. They're basically making a song for an upcoming island that y'all fans don't know about. So they're asking like, "Yo, should this monster be a Mammott or a Furcorn?" And then I'm like, "It should be a Mammott, but for each note, put another one 2.5 notes below it, and it'll sound dope." So just so you, sir on Amino, sir or ma'am, just so you know exactly what I mean, I have some sound samples here for what it would sound like. These are actually really old, so it's not like I just made these. I just had them floating around. I'm like, this is a perfect opportunity to use this killer sound in a killer song. So here we go. Mammott sound samples. So I guess a problem with this idea lies with like, oh crud, the range of notes. What if I want to use one of those? Yeah, you can't go high enough for that. So person on Amino, if you don't want to do some, oh shoot, okay, if you don't want to do something like this, that's totally fine. It's just an idea I had. So, and I guess if you wanted to do something like that, you'd have to hang on a second. Yeah, you'd have to do that. Well, I don't think it's 2.5. I think it'd be right there. I don't know. It sounds weird. But just if you use these, it sounds super cool. But if you try to do some other crud, it sounds weird. So I guess it's a little bit limited. So this is just an idea. So that's about it.